Okay, it is 5:07 p.m., May the 19th, 2017, here in Hermitage, Tennessee. Um, this is being recorded using the Zoom app. I'm trying it with the C920 camera, the Microsoft 3000 XL headset mic combo, and it's being run on the Dell XPS i7 16 gigs of RAM tower. I think that's all the technical specs we need to do. I'm recording at full screen, see what it sounds like. And to do a volume check, I see the microphone moving up and down, so we're assuming that that's going all right. I have a icon where I can either pause or stop the video. So I'm going to pause the video. I have resumed the video. So we're going again. Now I'm going to stop the recording, and this one I will put up on YouTube as a completed test.